Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday morning felicitated India's medal winners from the recently concluded Asian Games in Incheon, terming the performance of the Indian athletes at the Incheon Asian Games as inspiring. The Government of India honoured the medal winners at a ceremony and gave them cash awards. Congratulating those who brought laurels for the country at the Continental Games, Modi expressed hope that the combination of his enthusiasm and the spirit of the sportspersons would bring good result for the nation.
हमारे एक खिलाड़ी विजय प्राप्त करता है तो वो तो वहां एक कोने में होता है, पसीना पहुंच रहा है, उसे मालूम भी नहीं दुनिया क्या देख रही है। लेकिन अभी तो आपका पसीना शरीर से सूखा नहीं है और पूरे हिंदुस्तान में एकदम से गर्व का महसूस हो जाता है, सबको आनंद होता है, वाह चलिए कुछ करके दिखाया। इतना इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग इफेक्ट होता है इन चीजों का, और ऐसी चीजें जब निरंतर बनती हैं तो हर पीढ़ी के लिए वो प्रेरणा का कारण बन जाती है। और इसलिए हमारे लिए आप लोगों की सफलता वो सिर्फ आपकी व्यक्तिगत सफलता का मुद्दा नहीं है, ये हर भारतवासी के हृदय में एक आत्मगौरव पैदा करता है, आपका प्रयास सम्मान पैदा करता है। उसको जीते आप हो, मेहनत आपने की, पसीना आपने बढ़ाया, सुबह नींद खराब करके आप मैदान में चले गए, लेकिन कुत्ता वो है और वही आपकी सफलता है।
The Prime Minister urged the assembled sportspersons to feel free to give their suggestions to him and to call on him personally if they had anything specific to talk about. The gold medal winners were given checks of ₹20 lakh each, while the silver and bronze medalists got 10 and 6 lakh each respectively. Sports Minister Sarbanan Sonowal promised more support to the athletes for their future training and added that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was taking a keen interest in the development of sports in the country. The government will select 150 elite athletes for special training, keeping in mind medals at the Rio Olympics.
We want to make use of the best technological advances made in the field of biomechanics, sports sciences, sports psychology, recovery, so that athletes could perform better. I have asked the DG side to create similar facilities in at least 5 centers in the country. Let me assure you that the Government of India will leave no stone unturned to ensure the best ever facilities for our sportspersons.
The Prime Minister praised the corporate world interest in promoting specific sports. He urged award-winning sportspersons to deliver talks in universities to inspire the youth. He cautioned the sportspersons about their conduct as they are brand ambassadors of the nation in international sporting events. India won 57 medals, including 11 golds at the 17th edition of the Games in the South Korean city. Sports Desk, DD News.